Welcome into the show, everyone. It is back to school time, so our darling Dawn McCarthy is here of Dawn's Corner. How are you?
I'm good. I am ready to start this fall season and back to school. And first off, we're going to start off with Raddish Kids.
Let's do it.
So this is the actual originally cooking subscription box. This was developed almost 20 years ago by Samantha Barnes, and this is for ages 4 to 14 plus. And it was, like I said, this was all about her wanting kids to have fun and be hands-on and consider it baking like an activity.
Which is so fun for the kids, I think,
yeah,
right?
They want to do it, and it really helps them. They don't have things like we grew up with like shop class, baking class. So this is what's being done at home. It's about getting everyone around the table at night to get together and make something. There's only 3 recipes per each card that comes with over just 12 steps. It's really illustrated. They even have these fun conversation cards to bring to the table, to engage with each other. We're trying to really bring that family back together. They have all kinds of things. They've got global kits. They've got baking kits. They've got a little bit of something for everyone, but it really makes kids feel confident and accomplished. I mean, I lost my mom at an early age, so I didn't really know how to do a lot of cooking and things like that. So I would have loved and needed something like Raddish Kids to really help me with my confidence in conversations. And it's really nice because people just sit on their phone at dinner time, and this way it gives them that opportunity to have a conversation.
Yeah, get off the devices and teach that confidence. And one thing you need confidence in is making sure your personal safety is always in check. So what do you have for that?
Yeah, so this is livesafely.co. I want to make sure that you know that. And this was actually created by 4 girls out of the University of Texas.
How about that?
Came up with this.
A couple of longhorns.
This is the Safely Sidekick, and then you've got the SOS Sidekick. And then what they have that I thought was really, really good is they have practice sprays for you to go home with, because you can order these online. So it's going to kind of show you. We set this up in here to check it out.
On a mannequin.
On a mannequin. But it's back to school means also just preparing students for the unexpected that may happen.
Sure.
When you're out and about walking to your car, when you're on campus, if you're a new college student, I know Destry even has her daughter now off of college, which I feel really old about because I've been on with Destry over a decade, and I'm like, wait, what do you mean they're in?
You can feel young with me.
Yeah, thank you. I need to feel a little bit younger, and it's the #1 pepper spray and for women in 2025. So I'm going to use the practice spray
to hit Pinky over here.
To hit Pinky over here.
Oh shoot!
But this is going to allow you, because in a situation
good
when you actually have the sidekick on you, you're going to be able to know how to actually really spray and hit the target that you're wanting to hit. These sprays will actually help you do that it can come with. It even has this little tip that you can put on the bottom, so it can be a safety if you need to break a glass or something. It even has a light. I don't know if this is going to show it here on camera, but it even has a flashlight for at night for you to turn on and turn off that you can utilize. These are really, really important for women and men to feel safe at night. They come in a multitude of different colors. And again, they've already taught over 1 million women how to use pepper spray. And again, they've got little practices, Pinky. It's a really great line and really something about to keep you safe, and it's award-winning.
And that's old school. I mean, we know first responders use that and have been for years, but let's move into advanced technology and talk ChatGPT.
Okay, so do you use ChatGPT?
I don't, and Destry does, and I need to learn from her because I really respect the way that she uses it to help us advance kind of what we're trying to do. So
yeah, so I was all about ChatGPT. I was like, you know, people are using it to Google themselves, do really cool pictures and cartoons and things like that. But it's actually really great for helping kids do school projects, diagrams, any way like generate any type of visual. They've got guides. That'll help them with flashcards. And the one cool feature that I love about this ChatGPT is they have voice. So students can actually now practice a presentation.
Which is good.
Because like if you're going to
public speaking is tough.
Right, and if you're on TV, this will help you do that, and it'll help kids even with homework. So if you also, though, are a mom and don't want your kid to be going on ChatGPT to learn homework, it'll actually help you too. Like, I haven't been to school in many years.
I've been months removed from school.
How do I help kids do this? Like, how do you help them do that? So this is a really, really important thing that you can use chat for. And again, it can do chore charts. It can really help with family
parents like
planning,
that.
A family organization of you know where everyone's going to be. It can do grid shots. It can do all sorts of things. So stop looking at ChatGPT as just a fun app to make pictures. This is really essential during school time.
And there's a theme here. So far, it's all confidence building, and that also comes with the Kit Genie. When you talk about everything that kids need for school, parents and guardians, you know, I mean, they need so many supplies.
Yeah, this is Impacts, and this is their new Kit Genie. So every school gives kids a list of what they have to get for back to school. So what the Kit Genie does for you is all you're going to do is take your phone, like that's why we have it down there.
Sure.
You're just going to either upload this list to them, and they will curate the entire box for you.
Oh, wow.
You don't have to do anything. And what this is going to do, it's going to help you with any of that stress of shopping and going out. They have name brand stuff. Normally, I guess parents spend around $140.
Yes.
This starts at $65. It's just going to get you the pencils. It's going to get you the pens. You don't have to go to Target. You don't have to go to Walmart. You're not driving all over. Gas is really expensive. This is going to just do everything for you. I absolutely love it. It is a brilliant product if you're going back to school. You can even upload these, like I said, just even from your computer, but you can even screenshot them with your phone, so there's no reason. Literally, it even goes down to the Clorox. It's got the rulers. It's got everything that you need. So if Staples or someplace doesn't have it, they have it for you. And this is the Kit Genie. And again, like I said, it'll save you time and money, and it's absolutely effortless.
Fraction of the price. And then, of course, if we want to get around, this is fun. Yeah, I said usually bring all these toys. This is a very educational segment, but let's talk about the fifth wheel, if we could.
Yeah, this is available too at Target, and I believe it's even on sale right now. This is the K1 Max electric scooter, and it's designed for kids 8+. Okay, parents, it's for 8+. It's a scooter that combines safety. It's got all about performance, and it's got style. It's got 3 actual like riding modes. It's adjustable handlebars, dual braking, but it has a really fun LED headlight, and the front, side, and they basically have a light panel as well. So it lights up at night so you can see the kids. It's really easy. It folds in half so they can carry it with them anywhere that they want. It delivers fun, confidence building, again, riding experience, enhanced visibility at nighttime. And again, just kids want to take this and be on it. Have you ridden a scooter? I know you have them out front in front of the studio here.
Not recently. Not recently, but I would. I'm not opposed to it.
Yeah.
I think it's a great mode of transportation.
And I did forget to say one thing too. The Sidekick over here from Safely can also be done on Amazon. Some of these things that you can even get on Amazon. And like I said, this is Target. But again, this is just something that's really fun for kids. It gives them that confidence to go from a friend's house. Like no kids want to walk anymore. They all want to ride and enjoy themselves. And with all the little bells and whistles on this K1 Max electric scooter, it's absolutely brilliant. And I love the light bars that it has on it. And it's an ambient light bar. So like I said, it really glows at night.
I love it. These are all great products, saving you money, saving you time, building your confidence. Go to DonsCorner.com for additional details. Don, always great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Yes,
Thanks
of course.
for even if we don't have